Next, let's draw a point with the coordinates -5, -4. Here, x is negative, so we are using the left-hand side of the page. Let's draw a vertical line over here where x is -5. Y is also negative, so we are using the bottom half of the page. Let's draw a dotted line over here where y is -4. When drawing a point in geometry, we say we are plotting a point. So let's plot our point over here where the lines meet. And next to it, we can write down the coordinates -5, -4. Let's do one more. Let's plot the point with coordinates 2, -3. Now, you don't have to draw the dotted lines on the axis. This was just for explanation. To find our point, we can simply look at the values on the x and y axis. Our dot has an x-coordinate of +2. So we know it will lie on the right side of the page. The y-coordinate is negative, so the dot lies in the bottom right-hand side of the page. Let's start at the origin and move 2 units to the right to where x is 2. Y is -3. So from here, we move 3 units down to where y is -3. And now we can plot our point over here. It is always a good idea to write down the coordinates of each point on the axes. So let's write down the coordinates to -3. The Cartesian plane also allows us to see the position of a point that has already been drawn for us. Let's look at point A. Point A is in the top left-hand side of the page, where x is negative and y is positive. To find the position of any point, we always start with the x-coordinate. Here we can see that A is 5 units to the left of the origin, so x is -5. It is 1 unit above the origin, so y is +1. -5 is our x-coordinate, and 1 is our y-coordinate. So we can write down the coordinates of point A as -5, 1. Let's do one more. Point B is in the top right-hand side of the page, so x and y are both positive. X is 2 units to the right of the origin, so the x-coordinate of this point is 2, and is 3 units above the origin, so the y-coordinate is 3, and we can write our coordinates as 2, 3. Now we can join these points and draw a straight line, like we've done when working with functions. Now I want to find more information about this line. How long is it? What is the slope or the gradient of the line? Where is the middle point of the line? Coordinate geometry and the Cartesian plane will allow us to find all of this information by just using the coordinates of point A and point B. And we will look at how we do this in upcoming videos.